We're here in Baler and we're experiencing our MG Media Getaway. It's our very first media test drive for our Philippine journalists. We've been very appreciative of how the market has received the MG brand in the Philippines, and everything that has happened the past year has been milestones for MG. We have already introduced so many models in the market that has been received very well. Of course, we started with the very popular MG ZS, the MG6, and the RX5, and most recently the MG5. We'd like to, of course, invite everyone to continue looking at MG cars that we have in all the 24 dealers that we will have by the first quarter of next year. Right now, we are all over Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and we will be giving you more service, better service, to our new MG Garage, our MG applications, and we will be able to provide you all the ownership experience expected of a premium brand like MG. I'm sure you will all go home enjoying what MG is all about.
Actually, it was a very exciting and relaxing experience. Exciting because we got to try all 4 variants of MG. We got to try them out in the boonies, in the twisties going up here to Baler. And relaxing as after the long drive, we got to relax here at Les Siren. Very quiet, and well, the resort is very nice.
My MG Media Getaway experience was, it's been an amazing drive. It's only a short overnight stay here in Baler, but you know, it's not every day you get to try all the cars in a brand's lineup, and that's what MG gave us today, and it was a fitting first media drive for them.
This trip with MG is, how do I say it, fantastic. It's my first time in Baler, and it's my first time with MG testing 4 vehicles in 2 days. The MG5, MG6, the ZS, and the RX5. This has got to be one of the best media drives I've ever been.
So far, I've driven 2 of the cars, and today I'm going to drive another 2 more. I tried here the RX5, and you can see, well, the MG6. I rode in the base model on the back seat. The car was stable. It had power enough to go through the corners. I was having fun. I was going a little fast, but it was good and shocking, actually. I was really surprised how well the car handled and everything. It was good.